gonna cut a new driveway through here. And I see a pond in here, a bonus pond. Big old dry pond. Let's see if the dam blew out or what. All right, I found out why it ain't holding water.
It needs tires.
A little more to add for the dumpsters. And I happen to have the right tool for things like these bonus couches.
What is a lowrider?
That's a little tight in there. Wow. 2 weeks at home because they're so smart. Check out this little cozy house.
I'm surprised we're not seeing any deer running around. I guess if we had the electric TV.
You seen that? You can walk right out in front.
Rocks.
Creek.
Many rocks. Got your famous grapevines.
This must be a parking
around.
spot.
Yeah.
Turn around, park there, and come in here hunting. Yeah, I thought there was another tower somewhere.
Hey, you'll always have a reference point. You can see the cell tower.
There.
Watch out for the hole. Well, I'm not seeing any cameras. I'm usually pretty good at seeing them. What is a lowrider?
That's a little tight in there. Look at a pretty view though, look at that. Down this field for a rifle hunt, that's beautiful. I like it, it's a nice setup.
But hey, those steel ones, at least you don't have to worry about them rotting. There's a tree there.
Has to be like I gotta get to the lean my back against.
Yeah, I know. It looks like it's open around. There's one down
It's like
there.
a spring. There's
Is
what?
that ours? It's yours. Keep going.
A tower or a ladder?
Yeah, tower. The green one. See the roof.
Yeah, I see. There was one over here somewhere. There's scrapes, rubs in here.
Down there.
There it is. I knew there was one over here. How did I miss that?
Alright, well there's a big old keeper here. Here's a nice one. There's something on the ground there. Sunshine.
Oh yeah, that was the first one when we came around this.
Oh, the one that you were talking to.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right, now we're going to check out the area that borders the driveway to the west. So when we were coming in the driveway, this field was on our left. Now this whole chunk of ground, like probably 40 plus acres, I haven't stepped foot on yet. So we're checking this out for the first time. Here's our first prize right here. And then I'm going to hike in the woods and look for a secondary driveway location.
Aw, look at that.
Furniture.
Couches. Recliners.
Well,
Who needs tires?
a little more to add for the dumpsters. And I happen to have the right tool for things like these bonus couches.
Or guess they use a post.
Fence post. Wow.
Yeah, look at that. There's no mature trees. Look at all of them.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
Ladder stand, okay.
You want to mark anything? Or?
I can remember.
Well, I mean, if you're putting a driveway here, you're not going to want the ladder stand.
Alright, we'll check out some more new stuff here. I'll leave the camera run because it's a better view this way. The sun.
Alright. White. Okay.
How much cattle farmers pay to lease?
Yeah, remember we couldn't find anybody? Looks like there's an open field right on the other side of this. See the grass?
I think that's the power line.
Oh. That makes sense.
It's all closed up. We're gonna have to cut one of these. Want to do it now? Yeah, we gotta be able to get through there.
Yeah, let's not cut it till you're ready to work.
So yeah, there you can see your house, that road. Problem is, I don't know how bad the dip is right here.
Looks pretty darn big.
Let me walk in there, I guess. So this, I'd want to cut a new driveway through here. Because the house is there to bump around. And I see a pond in here, a bonus pond. Oh, jeez. And barbed wire on the ground. Yeah, I could run the driveway down in here. A couple of nice oaks. Let's go look at this pond. Looks pretty big. Here's the dam we're walking on it. Oh wow. Big old dry pond. Huh, let's see if the dam blew out or what. Used to be all the way up to here at one point. Better not walk in the middle. So this is the dam over here. Here's the overflow right here. So it's just must be too porous. I mean, the dam is all intact. Why it ain't holding water and nothing at all, I don't know, it must just be too porous down here. But why would there be an old water line all the way across there? Oh, the old hunting heater. Get that out of here. Alright. Alright, I found out why it ain't holding water. Right there, sinkhole. I'll add this to my list because if I dig all this out and recompact it, this could all fill up again. And it's taking in a lot of water through this inlet right up here on the uphill side. Well, there's the answer. Good thing I went to pick up that garbage. Might have walked right by it. And it's a nice sized little pond. Alright, now I gotta go look at this slope over here. Alright, here is another pond. This is where I want to cut the road bed. See the pond dam right here? It's another one hidden in the woods. This one's bone dry also. I mean, I could easily rejuvenate these. Scrape the bottoms out. Run compaction on it if there's still some clay. This one, I don't know why this ain't holding water. Anyways, yeah, the road will go just below this pond. And then come out. There goes a deer. Sharon was just asking, how come we didn't see deer? The second one we seen. Nice. Yeah, so we never bring the Polaris near a barn anymore after a rat hitchhiked home and it was a nightmare for like 2 weeks at home. Hey guys, thanks for joining us. The next episode we are going to explore this barn. Sharon's going to do an assessment, you know, if she can pick some of these old oak timbers and beams and make some furniture out of them. So we appreciate you joining us. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe. Stay tuned because the next year is going to be working on this project property, you know, pretty much as we can get over to it. So thanks a lot. Have a great evening.